హాయ్ పిల్లలు, వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం 4th క్లాస్ మ్యాథ్స్ మ్యాజిక్ వర్క్ బుక్ సెమిస్టర్ 2లో 8th చాప్టర్ డేటా హ్యాండ్లింగ్లో ఉన్న వర్క్షీట్ 1ని ఏ విధంగా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో నేర్చుకుందాం. సబ్ టాపిక్ టాలీ మార్క్స్. ఫస్ట్ వన్, 21 children of class 4 got different grades in maths exam. The data is given in the table. Write tally marks. కింద మనకు మ్యాథ్స్ ఎగ్జామ్ యొక్క డేటాని ఇచ్చారు. ఇక్కడ మనం టాలీ మార్క్స్ని రాయాలి. గ్రేడ్ ఏ, number of students 3, tally marks 3. A plus students 7, tally marks 7. B, number of students 8, tally marks 8. B plus students 5, tally marks 5. Grade C, number of students 2, tally marks 2. Second one, the following table shows the number of students absent from the school in a week. It is given in tally marks. Write equivalent number for the given tally marks. Days, tally marks, number of students absent. Monday, tally marks 3 ఇచ్చారు, number of students 3. Tuesday, number of students 5. Wednesday, number of students 6. Thursday, number of students 4. Friday, number of students 5. Saturday, number of students 2. Third one, prepare tally marks table for the given data. The data is about the favorite game of the class. క్లాస్ రూమ్లో ఎంతమంది ఏ గేమ్ని ఇష్టపడుతున్నారో ఆ డేటాని మనం ఇక్కడ రాయాలి. క్రికెట్, టాలీ మార్క్స్ 8, నంబర్ 8. స్టార్, టాలీ మార్క్స్ 8, నంబర్ 8. స్కిప్పింగ్, టాలీ మార్క్స్ 7, నంబర్ 7. టెన్నికాయిట్, టాలీ మార్క్స్ 4, నంబర్ 4. ఏ, వాట్ ఈస్ ద లీస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ గేమ్? Tennicoid. B, which games are liked equally? Cricket and star. Worksheet 2, subtopic pictograph reading. First one, 4 children wanted to donate some amount to a nearby orphanage. For that they have collected some amount as shown below. If C represents 10, how many rupees does each child has bought to donate to the orphanage? Name of the child, number of pictures, total rupees. First one, Vardhan. C presents 10 అని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, 4 C's ఉన్నాయి. 4 into 10 is equals to 40. Dolly, 5 into 10 is equals to 50. Ganesh, 3 into 10 is equals to 30. Begum, 5 into 10 is equals to 50. A, who collected more money? Dolly and Begum. How much? 50 rupees. Who collected less money? Ganesh. How much? 30 rupees. C, who collected equal amount? Dolly and Begum. How much? 50 rupees. Second one, the following is a pictograph showing the information about number of eggs consumed in a week. In a primary school, the scale is given as 1 egg is equals to 5 eggs. Days, number of eggs consumed. Monday, 6 into 5 is equals to 30 eggs. Tuesday, 5 into 5 is equals to 25 eggs. Wednesday, 7 into 5 is equals to 35 eggs. Thursday, 4 into 5 is equals to 20 eggs. Friday, 6 into 5 is equals to 30 eggs. 1 egg ki 5 eggs equals అని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. Now observe the pictograph and answer the questions given below. A, how many eggs are consumed on Thursday? 20 eggs. B, on which day the maximum number of eggs are consumed? Wednesday. C, on which day the minimum number of eggs are consumed? Thursday. D, total number of eggs consumed during the week 140 eggs.